Jai Swaminarayan students. Today we'll continue with the second part of the lesson number 1, that is working with Windows 7. Okay. Today we are going to see working on multiple windows. Now we have three different kinds of option for working on multiple videos. First is cascade windows, second show windows stacked, and third show windows side by side. Let's see the first one, cascade windows. See, this view places the windows in a single stack. Stack, that means एक के ऊपर एक रखना, to pile it off, right? To pile it up. एक बुक के ऊपर दूसरी बुक, उसके ऊपर तीसरी बुक, right? एक के ऊपर एक रखते हो, उसको stack बोलते हैं. You call it pile, right? A stack. So this view places the windows in a stack. As you can see in the screen, एक के पीछे एक windows को लगा देगा ये. That is your cascade windows. The windows are fanned out with the titles appearing one above the other. Right? Okay. How will you cascade windows? To cascade windows, what you will do? You will right click on the taskbar and one small pop-up window will open. In that, you will select the cascade windows option. Right? Okay. The next we have is stacked windows. This view displays the windows in vertical stacks. See, as you can see, vertical. एक के नीचे एक. Right? Cascade windows में क्या था? एक के पीछे एक था. Now in stacked windows, it will be एक के नीचे एक. One after the other. It will be in vertically stacked. Right? Okay. How can you navigate it? Navigate करना मतलब एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे उसको drag करना. Right? How can you navigate it? Just by clicking on it. Now how will you stack windows? What are the steps for that? Again, what you'll do, you'll right click on the taskbar. Again, the small pop-up window will open, and in that you will select show windows stacked option. Right? Okay. The third one which we have is show windows side by side. See, here all the windows, it will be next to each other. Right? It will be side by side. And how will you create this? Again, the same process. You'll right click on the taskbar. Again, one small option window will open, and in that you will select show windows side by side option. Next we have is Windows Explorer. Okay, what is Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer, it is the file and folder manager of the operating system. Right? All the files and folders are managed over there. Okay. The fundamental purpose, the main purpose of Windows Explorer is to view, open, copy, move, and manage files and folders present in the computer. Right? To open Windows Explorer, you can do any of the three ways which you can see on the screen. First is you can double click on the computer icon from the desktop. Right? Or else you can click on Windows button and letter E together from the keyboard. Right? Windows button and E button दोनों को एक साथ press करेंगे, so it will help you to open Windows Explorer. And the third way is you will click on the start menu and you will select the computer option. Now next we have is sections of Windows Explorer. We have three main sections of Windows Explorer. Those are navigation pane, search computer, and details. As you can see on the screen, the left side portion, that is your navigation pane, right? The right side top where you can see what is it is written, search program files, that is called your search computer. And the last option, last part of the screen, that is where you can see 21 items is written, that is called the details part. Right? So this Windows Explorer, it is divided into three main sections: navigation pane, the left wala portion; search computer, the top portion; and the lower bottom portion is details. Okay. Let's see first all the three things. First, let us see navigation pane. Okay, this is located on the left side of the Explorer window, as you can see, and it is used to access all kinds of locations such as files and folders and drives inside the computer, right? The search computer, it is located on the top part portion, and it is used to search any file or folder in the computer. For example, you have saved a file, right, with a name Swaminarayan School, right? But you don't know where you have saved your file, in which drive, whether you have saved on desktop or in some drive or in some folder, but you remember the name of the file. So what you'll do, you will write Swaminarayan School in this search computer, and you will click on go, and what will happen, you'll get the file over there, right? The next is details. This section is located in the bottom of the window, as you can see, and when any file or folder is clicked, the details of the same will be displayed in the bottom of the window. The last topic of the lesson, that is recycle bin. You all must be knowing what is recycle bin, right? Okay, what is recycle bin? It is a folder, right, with icon present on the desktop. It deletes the deleted files or folders will be moved into the recycle bin. Now here you can delete any file or folder in two ways. If you simply delete the file or folder, it will be moved to the recycle bin. But what you'll do, if you will click shift button and delete button together, it will ask you, do you want to remove the file permanently? And if you click OK, then that file will be deleted directly from the computer. You will not find that file or folder inside the recycle bin. So it means when simply you click on delete button, that file or folder, it will be moving to recycle bin, right? Okay. Other two options we have is empty recycle bin option and restore option. First, let us see what is empty recycle bin option. See, once you have deleted all the files and folders, it is moved to the recycle bin. Now, when you want to remove all those files and folders from recycle bin also, then you will select this empty recycle bin. As soon as you click on that, the recycle bin will be emptied, and those files you will never be able to retrieve again. It will be deleted permanently, right? And the other option is restore option. It helps you to restore all the items. Restore, it means जहाँ से delete किया था वहाँ पे file वापस चला जाएगा. It will move again to its original place. Suppose I have deleted one file by mistake and I want that file back. So what I'll do, I'll go to recycle bin, I'll right click on that file and I'll click on restore, and that will again go to its original place, right? Here we end our lesson. Let's move to the exercise. You can pause the video while writing in your book. Okay. Let's see fill in the blanks first. First is dash view displays the windows in vertical stacks. It is show windows stacked, right? The deleted files or folders will be moved to recycle bin. Windows Media Player organizes dash files on a computer. Media files. What do you mean by media files? The audio and video files together are called media files. Dash is the operating system's file and folder manager. It is Windows Explorer. Turn the page. Match the following. Here you'll have to match. First is navigation pane. So it is used to access all locations. Empty recycle bin, what it will do? It will delete files from recycle bin. Windows Media Player is the advanced audio coding application. Libraries, it manages files at multiple locations. Next questions are for true or false. First, the frequently accessed applications can be pinned to the taskbar. Yes, true. Right? Whatever applications you are using frequently, right? Or else you are using it daily. What you'll do? Instead of searching for them every now and then, what you'll do? You will just pin it to the taskbar. So it is easily accessible. Next is there is no option to restore the deleted files from the recycle bin. False. You have the option. Third, we cannot permanently delete a file or folder from the computer. False. You can delete it, and the shortcut key is you'll click shift and delete button together. Last, details section is located at the bottom of the Windows Explorer window. True. Details is at the bottommost part. Next we have is choose the correct answer. The first one, this button is used to quickly access the desktop. Which option? Which button? Show desktop. Next, this view displays the windows stacked. That is, show windows stacked. Last question, the dash displays the now playing mode. That is, Windows Media Player. Okay children, we'll continue with the second lesson in the next session. Jai Swaminarayan.